Welcome to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link your PayPal account to Redbubble in 2025 so you can get paid for your sales step by step. Step 1. Create a PayPal account. If you don't already have one, go to paypal.com and sign up. Make sure it's a verified account and can receive payments in your country. Step 2. Log into Redbubble. Go to redbubble.com and sign into your artist account. Step 3. Access your account settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Payment Details. Once inside Account Settings, scroll to the section labeled Payment Details. Here's where you'll set your payment method. Step 5. Enter your PayPal email. Under the Payment Method section, enter the email address linked to your PayPal account. Make sure it's spelled correctly. Redbubble will send earnings here. Step 6. Save your changes. Scroll down and click Save Changes. You're now officially connected. Step 7. Wait for verification. Redbubble doesn't send test payments, but when you make sales and hit the monthly payout threshold, usually $20, your payment will be sent to your PayPal. Double check that your PayPal account is verified. Make sure your PayPal can receive money in your country. Redbubble pays around the 15th of each month, so be patient after linking. And that's how to link PayPal to Redbubble in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple tutorials every week.